Sidekick is TrendSpider's most powerful AI trading feature yet. It's your personal analyst that can research news in real time, plot events directly on your chart, turn raw data into visuals, review your backtest, and so much more. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how Sidekick can automatically perform technical analysis of any of your charts, do a deep dive into company fundamentals, and how you can customize it to your own trading style. You can access it by clicking the Sidekick button at the top right of the platform, and once it's open, you can also minimize it using the hotkey Control-K, and you can turn it full screen using this icon right here. And unlike other AI chatbots, it has access to all of TrendSpider's financial data, from unusual options activity to SEC filings and real-time news feeds. This means it can help you analyze unusual options activity and even pull from SEC filings and build customized charts and tables out of it. The opportunities here are endless, and it doesn't stop there because you can even customize Sidekick to your own trading style with a range of different personalities, quick prompts, and you can even give it a custom system prompt. Sidekick isn't just one voice. You can swap between several personalities that all bring unique perspectives to your analysis. The personalities include Neutral, which is just the default chatbot. Then there's Warren, the long-term investor, and he's going to respond exactly how Warren Buffett would and focus on fundamentals and compounding while ignoring short-term noise. And then there's Graham, the stoic. Graham cuts through emotions and strives to output rational, value-driven insights. For all the quants, Simon the data dude could be for you. Simon relies heavily on raw data, tables, and charts whenever possible. Then there's Karen the skeptic. If you're the type who likes to be challenged, Karen is going to criticize just about everything you say, which is great if you're looking to poke holes in your strategy or your thought process. Finally, we have the Wall Street dominator, aka the Redditor, and he's going to bring high energy retail trader vibes and also loves to encourage the occasional YOLO. And we're just getting started because you can actually teach Sidekick to think exactly the way you want using a custom system prompt. To add your system prompt, open Sidekick and click the gear icon at the bottom left to open up the Sidekick settings. This is essentially a default set of instructions Sidekick will follow with each response. For example, if you prefer to have minimal text and more visuals, you can enter something like this into your system prompt. Output minimal text and generate charts and tables whenever possible. This is a fairly basic system prompt, but feel free to add as much detail as you like. Now let's cover one of Sidekick's biggest time savers, quick prompts. If you notice, when you open up Sidekick, you'll see a list of a few pre-made prompts. And if you click on one of them, it will automatically send that message to Sidekick. So say for example, each day you like to check out the top news. You can add a quick prompt that says something like this: summarize today's biggest market movers and news. And as you can see, it'll display a nice summary of the biggest movers in the market today, along with top news stories, and provide a list of symbols that you can click right from the output to view on your chart. So now that you've customized your Sidekick, let's go ahead and put it to use. For example, let's just type this into Sidekick. Compare Tesla to its competing industry leaders by creating a table with each company's market cap, PE ratio, PB ratio, net margin, and debt ratios. Also include charts to compare the same metrics. Now just give it a second and it will automatically find Tesla's top competitors, fill in the table with all the metrics you asked for, along with the charts and some helpful competitive analysis. Sidekick is also great at plotting news events right on your chart. For example, you may look at a chart like UNH that has several gaps down and want to know exactly what's going on and why all these gaps are occurring. So let's just open our UNH chart and prompt this to Sidekick to find out. Plot the top 5 market moving news events on my UNH chart starting in April 2025. And as you can see, it plotted the key events like earnings misses, the CEO stepping down, and the DOJ investigation, saving you tons of time scouring the web for the news articles yourself. In our next example, let's take a look at some unusual options activity. So let's pull up Oscar Health stock and prompt this to Sidekick. Show notable unusual Oscar options activity by short-term and long-term in a bar chart and tell me if it's bullish or bearish. And as you can see, it outputs a nice summary of short to long-term options flows, whether they are bullish or bearish, and a nice chart to help you visualize the data. So whether you're a long-term investor or a 0DT options trader, Sidekick is a powerful addition to your toolset. You can try it out now using the link in this post, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video.